Yo, what's up guys? This is my first video on this channel, or I might post it on my old channel, so it might be a first video in a long time. Just want to make a bike check on my bike. Finally built it all up and it's custom, and I'm sick at home, so I decided to do this since I have the time. Let's start up top. I got Eclat grips, can't remember what they're called right now, with some bar ends. Then I got the Shadow Vultus bars in 11-inch rise, and they're also cut down, I believe, to 27 inches or 27 and a half. I got a little bike light, and then I got the Eclat Domain front load stem and Odyssey top cap. Bsd, see that, Bsd headset. The frame is the Quan frame at 20.8 inch. Then got a federal seat, a Bsd seat post, and the forks are Odyssey R25s, and tires are the Eclat Mirage in 2.45. Got a complete wheel by Eclat. It's the E440 with the Cortex front hub. Then I also got the butter pegs all around. And drivetrain is the called DAC Sprocket. And then I got the Fiend segment V3 cranks, and Odyssey bottom bracket, Odyssey JCPCs, the metal pins, Eclat halflink chain, and Eclat Cortex Freecoaster laced to a Eclat Trippin rim, and yeah, same back tire. So that's my custom bike check. Just wanted to show it to you guys. I'll show you the other side as well. And then I also got a rear light as well. And then, oh yeah, and then the valve caps, which is really important, but there's just some shadow valve caps in red. And then all around hub guards, Eclat hub guards. But yeah, that's my bike.